Need a high-quality audio file from Audacity? In this guide, I'll show you how to export your project as a WAV file. WAV keeps your audio uncompressed, so it's great for editing, sharing with clients, or creating a clean master file. Before exporting, play through your project once and make sure everything sounds right. Check that the tracks you want are audible, because muted tracks will not be included in the final export. Now, it's a good idea to save your Audacity project first. This keeps all your tracks and edits available in case you need to make changes later. Remember, the project file is different from the WAV file you're about to create. Next, go to File, then choose Export Audio. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Control, Shift, and E on Windows or Command, Shift, and E on Mac. In the export window, choose where you want to save the file. Then type a clear name for it, like Final Podcast Episode or Song Master. Audacity will add the WAV extension automatically, so you usually don't need to type .wav yourself. Now open the Format menu and select WAV. For most projects, choose WAV Microsoft, signed 16-bit PCM. Yeah, this is the standard option for a high-quality file that works almost everywhere. Below that, check your channels and sample rate. Choose mono if your project is only one voice track, or stereo if you need left and right audio. For standard music, podcasts, and CD quality audio, use 44,100 Hz, then choose what you want to export. Select Entire Project to export everything, or Current Selection if you only need part of the timeline, so make sure the correct range is selected before moving on. Finally, click Export. If the metadata window appears, you can add details like artist or title, or just continue without changing anything. Once the export finishes, open the saved folder and play the WAV file to confirm it sounds right. And that's it, you've exported a clean WAV file from Audacity. WAV files are larger than MP3s, but they keep the full audio quality, which makes them perfect for backups and future editing.